Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download the Yahoo Finance app on your smartphone in just a few quick steps. So let's get started. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store. Within it, look for the search icon at the bottom right, then tap on it. Next, tap on the search bar at the top and type Yahoo Finance. Once typed, press search and you will see the Yahoo Finance app appear in the result. Make sure that it's the official app by checking that the developer is Yahoo. Now tap on the get or install whichever is present in the interface. Also, please make sure to follow the on-screen instruction if it required. Then wait for a few seconds while the app downloads and install on your device. Once installed, tap on the open to launch the Yahoo Finance app. Now you can explore stocks, track markets and stay updated with the latest financial news. It's optional, but if you want to personalize your experience, you can just tap on the sign in and log in with your Yahoo account. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded the Yahoo Finance app and are ready to start tracking your favorite stock and market news. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you with the more tech tips.